Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most essential products for anyone looking to confirm early signs of pregnancy, the MomMed Pregnancy Test Strips. If you're on the lookout for reliable, accurate, and easy-to-use HCG pregnancy tests, you're in the right place. MomMed has carved out a reputation for delivering peace of mind with their pregnancy test strips. This particular pack includes 30 HCG strips and an added bonus of 30 urine cups, making it not just convenient but also cost-effective. What sets these apart from others on the market is their exceptional accuracy, boasting over 99% reliability. This means you can trust the results, and with such sensitivity, you can detect pregnancy early on, even before you miss your period. Let's delve into why these strips are a go-to choice for many. Firstly, they offer rapid results within just a few minutes, right in the comfort of your home. No need for pricey medical visits, simply test discreetly whenever it suits you. Each strip is designed for ease of use with clear instructions, ensuring you get accurate results every time. Plus, the inclusion of urine cups makes the process even simpler and mess-free. Aside from their reliability and ease of use, MomMed understands the importance of affordability. Compared to other brands, these strips provide excellent value for your money. Especially with their current discount priced at just $9.98 for a pack of 30. Moreover, MomMed has prioritized user-friendliness. Whether you're new to pregnancy testing or have used similar products before, these strips ensure a hassle-free experience. While we won't rely solely on customer reviews, it's worth noting that over 19,000 customers have rated these strips highly. Many praise their accuracy and the peace of mind they offer during such a crucial time. In conclusion, if you're in the market for reliable early detection pregnancy test strips that won't break the bank, MomMed is a fantastic choice. With their high accuracy, convenience, and cost-effectiveness, these strips truly stand out among the competition. That wraps up our review today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more unbiased product reviews here on Product Critique. Until next time, stay informed and empowered in your purchasing decisions. Thanks for watching.